Hi, this is Amina Sheikh, and with me today I have the lovely, gorgeous Erica Fernandez at ET Inspiring Women 2021. How does it feel being a part of this?
I don't know how to actually put this into words because I have no words, and it's really overwhelming for me right now to be present here and to be, um, it's too much for me to digest at this moment. I feel really grateful for whatever I've done, probably to be here and receiving an award. So, yeah, I don't know what more to say.
Erica, you have been quite busy. You have already made a name and fame out there, in the TV world, and of course, everything is keeping you quite busy. So,
Right.
what excites you to be a part of the TV world and just keep it going on?
The fact that I see people smiling and I can see people, connect with whatever I play on screen and they love seeing that. And it just gives me a whole kick to perform and do something more and, to entertain people. That's what keeps me going.
And playing Prerna was not that easy for you because,
It
of course,
was.
it was ups and downs and playing different character completely. And of course, there is some inspiration to Shweta Tiwari, and that comparison kept on happening. So how did you dealt with it?
So I actually initially thought that it would be very tough for me, but the fact that it was for a different generation, done by a different generation, and that's what actually made it a little easier for me. And I didn't want to do the same thing that she did, so I tried to do it in my own way. And tried to put somewhat of me into the character to play the character. That's what I do with most of my characters, actually.
Though we get to see that I have been watching that serial very closely. You guys fight and all, but off screen you guys have a different chemistry altogether. Be it with Parth or be it different characters in the movie, in the serial. So how do you maintain that and and just be on the camera being completely different?
I think as actors, we have learned to snap in and snap out of characters very easily when we are on set. And it happens on set. So if you ask me to just do something right now, I'll be like, I'll not be able to do that very well because you are in that whole atmosphere, in that whole, environment where you know that, okay, this is work and this is what we have to perform and how we have to do it. Because I'm the worst liar ever. And, if you ask me to play a prank on someone like that, I will start smiling and yeah, it's just, it's a giveaway that okay, she's up to something. And if you ask me to do the same thing in a scene, I can just do it. So the thing with us on screen and off screen, we are so comfortable with each other that we are able to perform so well on screen because we know how each other, the give and take is there. So that is required.
Your Instagram game is quite on fire.
Thank you.
And how do you manage that with all the pictures and photo shoots and all? How do you manage that?
See, I believe moreover in quality than quantity. So I'm not usually posting too much. I just put out a certain few things, and I am someone who likes things organized. I just don't like things out of place. No, I don't. So that's how I just maintain the whole profile. And a lot of fans, also complain about grids and this and that. But that's my how I like it. It's my profile, and that's how I like to maintain it. So.
And what's keeping you busy right now?
I shoot. Right now, I'm doing Kachrang, which is the season 3, and that's what's keeping me busy.
Apart from that, like, are you like taking up more projects and all?
I am in talks with a few other, projects and all, but as of now, this is keeping me quite busy. So, whenever anything happens, I will let you all know.
And lastly, what do you have to say about your association with Ekta Kapoor, the big name itself?
Yeah, of course. And working with her also has got me to where I am today because everything is put together as a team, and the teamwork, and you know who you work with, and that's how you get recognized. So, yeah.
Thank you so much, Erika, for your time and all the best.
Thank